Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapchat and tapping your profile avatar, then go straight to the gear icon to access settings. Once in settings, scroll to privacy controls and find See My Location. Make sure to pause here and confirm you're viewing the correct account if you manage multiple profiles. Next, tap that option so you can change who sees your live location. This step begins the closure process. You need the specific location control open to finish the action. Once the location control is open, you choose how to close it. Toggle off Share My Location to stop broadcasting immediately. Alternatively, enable ghost mode and pick a duration like 3 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn it off, which is useful for temporary privacy. If you need a permanent fix, remove or block specific friends who previously saw your location. This revokes their access. Make sure to confirm the toggle state before leaving settings. To finish, verify the closure by opening the Snap Map and confirming your Bitmoji is hidden or shows ghost mode. If the change doesn't appear, log out and back in, and make sure the app is updated. Sometimes a stale session prevents settings from applying. Once done, test with a trusted friend to ensure they no longer see your location. If issues persist, uninstall and reinstall the app or contact Snapchat support for account-level problems. That resolves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.